Hi everyone! Welcome back to P&J's Homestead Adventure. In our last video, this is where we left off. It's okay. No, he's alive. Hopefully he's gonna make it. It's a young one. He doesn't even have adult feathers. It's a male because his red head goes all the way to his beak. He ran right into the glass door. Hopefully he's gonna be okay. A little stunned, but I think he's gonna make it. Well, I think it's going to be a happy ending. We'll see how that goes. I was able to hold a woodpecker. There he goes. He made it to the tree. He's up in the tree. Success. Happy ending. Yeah, spring is like the best time. The ground is so wet. Everything just pops right up. Of course, you're pretty strong anyway. Butterfly bushes getting moved today. Yay! Jason's mowing. Garden's 95% planted. And the pool is almost open. Building skills. Just do it yourself. Making them goes very quickly when you already have a pattern. Jason and I were part of a collaboration, and we built a bluebird house. If you'd like to see how this was made, I'll leave that video at the end. Congrats, Jan! At Simply Jan Homestead, she won the birdhouse in the giveaway. Her link will be in our description. You just got to get her a hat. A frittata! Mozzarella cheese, asparagus, onion, and basil. That's what's for dinner. We have a little project going on here at the homestead, and we'll have an upcoming video when that is all finished.
Okay, I'm having a moment.
Uh-oh.
Yep. I dig it all. Yep. All of it.
Grapes. Zucchini. Montreal melon. Amish pie pumpkin. Tomatoes. Butterfly bushes. Peppers. Gourds. Kale and peas. Sunflower. Asparagus bean, getting tall. Hopi squash. Roma tomatoes are growing. We have eaten all the radishes, so clearly I can plant some more. Carrots. Do you remember me telling you about my favorite organic fertilizer? Well, we got mail. What? This is gonna be awesome. This is not a paid promotion. Nobody asked me to do a review, but I love the Coast of Maine fertilizer. Thank you, Anita, for sending me the free gifts. Oh, yeah. It's frittata night. Sausage on the bottom with a fresh zucchini and onion. Of course, 8 eggs. Mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and fresh basil. And yes, that is Parmesan cheese sprinkled on top. Frittata time. If you haven't already met Jason and I here at P&J's Homestead Adventure, here's a trailer so you can see what we've been up to around here. Thank you for stopping by.